Hey, this is Josh Taylor with Trade Advisor Pro, and I want to thank you for checking out our video today. Now, before we get started with today's free Forex training video, I want to give you a chance to pause this video right now and go to our website. Trade Advisor Pro offers you free Forex training videos, and trade alerts. And folks, you do not want to miss our trade alerts. We send out a bunch of trade alerts every month that are top rated in the industry. We send you our exact trades right to your inbox. Pause the video now. Go to tradeadvisorpro.com/free, and all you have to do is register and then come back to this video, and we'll be sending you a lot more goodies to help you with your Forex trading. Enjoy today's training video. Alright, so I'm looking at a pound dollar chart. This is the daily chart, and you can see that here price is pulling down, came up and hit the 62% retracement level, has been working its way down, but we just do have a solid base level, which is also the 38% retracement of this downswing. Right at the 16000 mark. Now I was in a long position here that I got in right down in this range. Price hit and bounced back up. We got into a nice buy position, and we're up. Right now it's not doing as great as I thought it would. So I was expecting a bigger bounce, but this is December, and we can expect a lot of times we'll see a lot slower ranging markets, a lot slower moving markets. And so what I'm doing is I just closed out that trade. Took the profit and I reset the trade to buy at 160005. Now I'm going to tell you now I've got a 65 pip stop, but I am not going to allow that trade to go that far against me. If it breaks under 1600 and continues staying there for any significant amount of time, I'm just going to close it out early and take the small loss, because I am looking at this price ever since, what's the date here, November 15th. So we're talking about 3.5 weeks or so. Price has been working its way up. Now here's what we can't tell, and folks, this is where a lot of people don't understand. We get emails all the time, and we tell people we don't respond to these emails. But people ask us, "Where's the pound going?" We can't figure that out. If we knew all that, we'd be the wealthiest people on earth. Forex is a game of probabilities. So we are looking for the highest probability opportunities, not guaranteed opportunities. And so that's how we trade. It's the only way to trade. In fact, since we've been here for the last few minutes, about a minute or so talking, price actually dropped down several pips. I do expect price to come all the way down close to this base level and at least take a small bounce up. Just if you decide to take a trade right under that range, keep it tight. Don't allow it to go too deep. Because what we don't know is right here, if this is a reversal, and price is working its way back up over the long trend. We don't see how this is trending up. Had a pullback, and then it's pushing its way back up again. We don't know if this is a continuation of this uptrend, or if this was a retracement of this downtrend. You understand? So we're kind of stuck at both levels of not understanding where this thing is going to go. But I would expect a solid bounce right off that level. So you can at least get in there and take a few pips most likely, but just keep it tight. Let's go to the next trade. Okay, here we're looking at the dollar Swiss daily chart, and I'm going to zoom this in a little bit. But you can see how we are pretty much range bound, which is expected for December. You're going to get a lot of range bound trades. We need to look for a solid opportunity to get into this trade. And I have a buy position on this trade to get in around this level here, slightly above actually. I'm not sure if we're going to hit that level. I'm going to tell you this though, if price comes all the way up to 9,500, I am going to expect a little bit of a push down. So we may take a small scalp on that trade. It is a two-layered level. This figure, and it's a 38% retracement of this downswing. That already rejected once very strongly, came up right on it, and boom, dropped down again. So I would expect an opportunity to sell here. We'll continue watching that. I'm not going to set up any trade for that yet, but I would expect at least a 30-40 pip bounce on the worst case, or a potential reversal. So I'd probably keep a really tight stop here, 30 to 50 pips, most likely 40 to 50. And take this thing down as far as it can go. As soon as price was up 30 or 40 pips, I'll probably close out positions, close it at, move the stop to on the remainder to break even and see how far the thing will run. Sometimes you can get a 200-300 pip run, and that long run on those partial positions is actually bigger than the profit would have been if you would have taken a smaller scalp. So let's go look at the next pair. Folks, I hope you enjoyed today's training video. If you have not done so already, stop this video now and go to tradeadvisorpro.com/free and register absolutely free for free Forex training videos, and free Forex traded alerts directly to your inbox. Go to the website right now and register for free. All kinds of goodies for you. Thanks a lot.